वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में एक्सरसाइज 8.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 कवर करेंगे। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा। नाउ दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन व्हिच सेज show that the line segment joining the midpoints of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other। तो हमने यहाँ पे एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल ड्रॉ किया है जिसमें कि P, Q, R और S ये मिड पॉइंट्स हैं और इनको ज्वाइन किया है, राइट। तो अब हमें यहाँ लिखना है सबसे पहले कि गिवन क्या है, सो दैट कि हम ये डिसाइड कर पाए कि हम उसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे। तो द गिवन इज ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए बी सी और डी। ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है जिसमें इन विच पी क्यू आर एंड एस आर द मिड पॉइंट्स of A, B, B, C, C, D and DA respectively. And we also know that the P R PR and QS intersect each other at O. P and R and QS intersect each other. What is the point of intersection? O. We can say this point is O. Now what you want to prove? We want to prove that OP, the OP and OR is equal and OQ and OS are equal. Is this line segment from the origin? This is equal to this and this is equal to this. So that the line segment joining the midpoint of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other। तो ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, इसके मिड पॉइंट लिए हमने ज्वाइन किया। तो हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि दिस लाइन सेगमेंट इज इक्वल टू दिस लाइन सेगमेंट एंड ओ आर इज इक्वल टू ओपी। तो यहां तक हमने क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड किया। नाउ टू सॉल्व इट वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट बाय ज्वाइनिंग with the green line the PQ, not PQ, AC and BQ. We can make a triangle and after that we can join also. So with the construction point of view, we have to construct by joining the PQ and QR and RS and SP, AC and BD। तो ये सारा अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन हमने ड्रॉ किया है। नाउ द प्रूफ स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द ट्राइंगल AB A, B, C. So this black triangle is here. Now in the black triangle ABC, the P point and the Q point, this point and this point, are the midpoints of the respective lines AB and BC. So from the midpoint theorem we can write, अगर ये midpoint है तो this PQ is parallel with AC and this PQ is equal to the half of AC. So we can write the PQ is equal to, not equal to, parallel with AC, and this RS is equal to half of AC, right? So similarly we also consider this RS and AC. But for considering this, we have to make another triangle, that A, D, C and AC. So we are going to consider similarly the triangle A, D, C. In this triangle also, this S and this R are the midpoint. So S and R are the midpoint of respective sides. The respective sides are A, D and DC. So this is through MPT, midpoint theorem. Now if it is so, then we can say this RS, this RS line is parallel with AC line, and it is RS is equal to half of AC. So there is a little mistake. This is not RS, because we were considered this line, so this is PQ. This is PQ. So PQ is equal to half of AC. Now it is RS is equal to half of AC. Now if these two are there, then we can relate these two. This RS is parallel with this PQ. This RS is parallel with PQ, and this PQ is equal to RS. Now this PQ is equal to this RS. Now because this is a quadrilateral, and this side are equal and parallel, so this we can write, so a pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral P, Q, S, R are equal and parallel. और equal and parallel होता है तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? It is a parallelogram. So the quadrilateral, which one? P, Q, S, R is a parallelogram. So we proved that up till now. Now if it is a parallelogram, then we further extend, since the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore the diagonals PQ is PR and QS. This is green ones we're talking about, PR and QS of a parallelogram PQRS. That is, we can also say the line segments joining the midpoints of opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD bisect each other. So here we can understand that PQ and this PR and this SQ, this is the parallelogram. So these are the diagonal, and the line segment joining the midpoint, this segment joining the midpoint, this one. So of the quadrilateral ABCD is bisect, because हमने पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव किया पहले, उसके बाद जो मिड पॉइंट्स हैं, जो पैरेललोग्राम के जो आपके डायगोनल्स हैं, वो एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. दिस इज अ ट्रू. So that's how we can prove the given statement. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel.